2008 GMC Savana Explorer Limited SE Handicap Wheelchair Conversion Van, high top van, 67,000 original miles. Very loaded out van, has power doors, Braun power electric wheelchair lift. Has power doors in the back. Nice condition, 67,000 original miles. Has a clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean Florida title. It's rust free, shows very nicely. I'll give you the tour. It's got a few little minor cosmetics on it just from normal wear and tear over the years. Overall it is very nice. Everything is working as it should. Van shows very beautifully. As you can see, the wheelchair lift, the power door system, everything works. It does have tie downs in the floor. It does have the rear reclining sofa. It does not recline 100% because the wheelchair lift is in the way, so it does go back quite a bit, but not all the way. Very nice. Does have the beautiful indirect lighting inside. Again, it does have a few minor cosmetics just from age, like I say. Overall, it does have flat screen TV, DVD system, everything's working. This does have dual side entry doors, which is nice. See here, everything is very nice. Leather interior, wood grain throughout. It's a low mileage van. There's a bunch of service records that come with it. The original bill of sale, original Windows sticker. It is a genuine low mileage, nice Florida van. The wheelchair lift was just serviced at Mobility Works as well. As you can see, the Explorer leather interior is in nice shape. There's no rips or tears. Very nice. 67,829 miles. You have your nice indirect lighting. You have a cooler in the center console. Power reclining seats. The nice feature about these GMCs is that you do have the dual entry doors, which is nice if you're buckling somebody in there. Very nice. Easy feature, nice and comfortable to get around. The carpet does have a little sun fading in it, which is normal here in Florida. Overall it shows fine, it's not ripped or torn. There's a little bit of pitting on the wheels, they're not perfect. Small little dent here in the back corner of the bumper. And that's about it. This van shows very nicely, runs good, no lights on. We do buy and sell a lot of handicap vans. This configuration is excellent. Does have the high roof, the power doors, everything works great. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You can also text us to that number at any time. There's the rear cargo area. There's a pouch here with a ton of service records and books and manuals for everything inside the van, which is awesome to have. You have the recliner for the rear seat right here. It is power. It does work. Here we can operate the wheelchair lift right here. The emergency brake needs to be engaged in order to use the wheelchair lift. Go ahead and put that on. Stow up. Very easy system to use. It is also a wireless system. We do not have the remote for it, but we can get it. We just have to order it. This is very easy. I'll give you the view here. It's an awesome setup, super easy to use, very seamless. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. Beautiful GMC Savana. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Call or text us anytime. Thank you.